Do you feel like small, daily purchases silently drain your bank account, leaving you wondering where all your money went? Imagine if you could instantly see the true, long-term cost of every impulse buy, not just what it costs today, but what it could build tomorrow. You're not alone. Most people waste thousands of dollars a year on impulse purchases without realizing it. But here's the twist. What if you could turn those impulse buys into a visualized future fund? A fund that grows over time, tangible and real, making the true cost of every purchase painfully clear. You see, when you can see the future, you make different choices. You start to think, is this coffee worth taking away from my future self? Is this new gadget worth delaying my financial freedom? The answer, more often than not, is no. And that's when everything changed. You start to prioritize your spending, making conscious decisions about where your money goes. You begin to allocate every potential impulse purchase to your future fund, watching it grow with each passing day. The result? You're closer than you think to achieving your financial goals. You're building wealth, one conscious decision at a time. But how do you actually do it? It's simple. Take a few minutes each week to review your spending and ask yourself, is this purchase aligned with my long-term goals? If not, redirect that money to your future fund. Watch it grow and feel the momentum build. You're not just saving money, you're investing in your future self. And that's a powerful feeling. So, what are you waiting for? Start your future fund today and discover the power of visualizing your financial future. What will you build with your money? The choice is yours, and that's a pretty exciting question to ponder. If you're ready to take control of your finances and start building the life you want, be sure to subscribe for more practical tips and inspiring stories.